Does it feel like airplanes are moving slowly? When we look up at the sky, it feels like the airplanes are moving slower than a snail, but in reality they are going faster than 500 miles per hour. The first reason airplanes appear to move slowly is due to the lack of visual reference points in the sky. While on the ground you can see trees, buildings and other objects that help you gauge your speed. However, when you're up in the air, all you see is endless sky, your speed. There are no fixed objects to help you measure. Even if there are clouds in the sky, the airplanes might still seem slow to you. The reason for this is distance. The airplane takes longer to cross your field of vision compared to an object that is closer to you.